This is every fight to make after UFC 330 and you know the drill boys. मैंने UFC 330 के सारे विनर को रखा हुआ है स्क्रीन पे and मैं धीरे धीरे उनके फेस को रिवील करता रहूंगा उनके अपोनेंट को. But I am also fighting in this fight card. Let's go. Let's discuss the fight card first. Islam Makhachev ने हरा दिया Ian fucking Gary को. I don't like that guy to be very honest. Outside the octagon, maybe I like him inside the octagon, but yeah man. I think Islam का next opponent होगा जो कि सबसे ज्यादा realistic है. He is none other than Carlos Prates. Let's be real. Let's be fucking real. Nutella cheesecake, a Nutella cake, whatever he eats. I feel like he's more active. Shafkat is not there. Morales is not fighting. He's more active normally. And he's a good fight and I want my boy to fight him because Morales is a dangerous matchup. Now मैंने आप लोग देख रहे हो कि मैंने इस्लाम मखाचेव के दूसरे को भी रखा हुआ है ताकि you guys will not say and his next opponent is Michael Morales. Let's call it is what it is. I'm not scared of it. I'm like I can see कि कार्लोस प्रातेस को इस्लाम मखाचेव easily हरा सकता है. There is a chance but puncher's chance तो सबके पास था. Even Ilya the Focoria, Ilya the Dacoria, Ilya तो Getoria, he also got that. But Islam Makhachev को Michael Morales सबसे ज्यादा tough fight दे सकता है. In my opinion, he has a long reach, long frame. He's bigger than Ian Gary. But I think he has good judo as well. But Islam Makhachev के पास जो single leg takedowns है open mat पे, I think that will be a challenging matchup. I guess so. Like this will be the toughest fight for Islam. Outside Ian Gary fight क्योंकि Morales के पास power advantage है. Carlos Prates, but I'm not that much scared. I think Islam will beat him easily. अगर वो slow down नहीं होता है later round में तो क्योंकि this time Ian Gary वाली गलती नहीं करेगा Prates. Let it be. Next fight, Mackenzie Dern. Her ass is so dope as good, bro. So dope as good. उसकी fight होनी चाहिए किसी और से नहीं भाई. My crush. Zhang Weili, boy. I don't know where the fuck she is. Like, she is doing some beauty contest, but she looks damn ass cute, dog. I mean, like, if you guys would curse और किसी का नाम लेना start कर दिया कि Grasso, she's shit. Derns, she's shit. Just look at the face. But Zhang Weili is good. But jokes apart, guys, मैं इस फोटो को हटा देता हूँ यहाँ से. And I feel so कि Zhang Weili का fight होना चाहिए इसके साथ. Because Zhang Weili, I think she can beat him. She has a lot of skill set अपने अंदर में भी. He has a good jiu-jitsu, good striking, like nasty striking, kicking him. I think Mackenzie Dern's, takedown नहीं कर पाएगी. Takedown defense Zhang Weili का अच्छा है. I will still pick Zhang Weili to beat Mackenzie Dern. Next fighter on the card, Jalen Turner की fight होनी चाहिए. Bro, I'm sorry, पर इसके अलावा मेरे को किसी उसका शक्ल मिला ही नहीं. He got the big ass jawline भाई, इतना बड़ा. यही एक पिक्चर मिला है जो मैं लगा पाया हूँ. Jalen Turner ने फिनिश कर दिया. I don't know who, but पहली बार जिंदगी में Jalen Turner ने जीतता हुआ फाइट को हारा नहीं है. He finished him with a nasty shot, and I think he deserved this fight. Like अभी पिछले बार वो रिटायरमेंट ले लिया था and I think Drew Dober will test his grappling skills. So yeah man, we have to think that way as well. I don't know. Moving on to the card. I don't know this guy. His name is some Dustin. I don't know Dustin. पर इसकी फाइट होगी गिलबर्ट समथिंग लाइक इसका नाम है मिडिल वेट में. I did it. थोड़ा मैंने सर्च करा, चैट जीपीटी थोड़ा बहुत करा. I got to know that this guy is there. दोनों 1-1 फाइट के विनिंग स्ट्रीक पे है and this fight will make sense. Like he is a powerful striker and this guy has a great fight IQ. So I think this fight makes sense. Moving on to the card. Next fight is Resbisky. I always fucked his name, तो आज से हम इसको Resbisky ही बोलेंगे. No fucking other name, okay? Gang, do you get my point, chat? So next fight होने चाहिए Manel Torres के साथ में. Manel Torres अभी हार के आ रहा है Rafael Fiziev के साथ में and he has a slick striking, good chin, but थोड़ा सा range से बाहर and pocket पे land नहीं कर पाता. Barbosa was defending good and I think Torres can give him run for his money, bro. To be very honest, Torres has good in Rafael Fiziev is good striker. He catch him with a nasty shot. Yeah, man, that's it for this card. And the main event of the evening, the reigning, defending, undisputed Indian MMA YouTuber MMA Flash will fight with, I'll reveal the opponent, guys, MMA Auntie. How about that? We are going to, defend my belt, bro, because I am undefeated and undisputed MMA lightweight champion of the world. Just look at this guy, man. He's handsome as fuck and his knuckles look so sexy, bro. Just look at these big knuckles. I can fight, man. I can fight. You really think I cannot fight and you were laughing off? Let's go. It's gonna be bad, my nigga. It's gonna be bad. It's gonna be really bad. And you cannot survive 2 round, bhai. 2 round to bahut zyada 1 round, bhai. Trust me, bro. Trust me. I'm gonna take your head off inside the square circle. How about that? Let's box. Let's fucking go. Let's fucking go, bro. You're talking shit online. Let's go, bro. Be prepared. Sign the contract, big boy, because I'm ready. I'm ready to go. How about that shit, bro? I'm not gonna leave you. You are big creator. Find somebody जो contract बना सके and who'll pay me because I am ready to fight and I'm ready to come back, bro. I really want to do it 12 and 0. Let's go. Let's go. Sign the contract. What do you guys really think about this fight card? मेरे को बताना. And how about me fighting him? वो भी बताना. Let's go. Let's fucking go. And if you like this kind of content, please subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate it. मिलते हैं next video में. Peace out.